Hello students, we are going to see the third case study in this video. Now let's see the case study transactions. Make necessary operations on Tally to record the tabulated transactions. The first transaction, Ram started business with cash of rupees 4 lakh. In this case, capital account has to be created, that will be credit and the cash will be debit. Now let's see this particular recording in Tally. The company is already created by name Case Study 3. Now let's go for recording. Gateway of Tally, transactions, accounting, vouchers. Then here the payment voucher is opened. We have to select for receipt voucher which is available on the right hand side, or else we can use the shortcut key, that will be function key F6. Just click on this one, right, then enter. The credit will be capital account which has to be created. Alt C to create. Alias will be blank and this will be allocated under the group, that will be capital account. Then later save. Even we can provide the mailing details, name, address, state, PIN code, tax information. Then save. Press Y from the keyboard. The amount is 4 lakh. Correct. Debit will be cash, down arrow key which is already provided by Tally, 4 lakh. Type the narration, then save. Press Y from the keyboard. The next transaction, purchased list of products from Shyam on credit basis of rupees 41,945, and here we have the list of items. I am not going to read the list of items. The Tally handbook is already uploaded on the SharePoint. You can just take the list of questions and you can just check how the recording can be done in Tally. Okay. Right now let's see this particular recording in Tally. Before I just proceed for recording in Tally, here we have to create stock group, stock item, then the units of measure. Okay. Select for purchase voucher and that to invoice mode. Okay. Then we can provide even the reference number. I just provide here. Reference number is not provided in the question, but we can provide. I just provide here 1, 2, 3. Party's account name has to be created and the supplier, the creditor will be Shyam. Okay. Alt C to create. And this will be allocated under the group sundry creditors. Then later save. To save and quit back, we can use the key, that will be Ctrl A. Then later we have to go for creating purchase account. Alt C to create. Alias will be blank and this will be allocated under the group, that will be purchase accounts. Then save. Press Y. Then here the name of the item has come down, but we have not yet created. We can do the creation even from the accounting voucher creation window. Alt C to create. Stock item creation secondary window. The first item is Basmati. This will be blank. Alias will be blank. and this has to be allocated under the group. Alt C to create. Rice, this will be blank. Okay, we are just creating this one. Then to save and quit back, just press here Ctrl A. Units of measure has to be created, that will be kgs. Alt C to create. Unit creation secondary window. I just provide here kgs. Okay. Formal name we can just provide here kilograms. Then later we can just provide here decimals too. Then save. Press Y. Alternate units of measure is not there. Okay. Then not applicable. Tax part is not there. Then later save. Press Y from the keyboard. Okay. What is the quantity given? 300. Correct. Amount is 49 rupees. Next here we have to go for creating the next one. Alt C to create. Then this will be allocated under the group price. Kg is not applicable. Then save. Press Y. Quantity is 200. Rate is 42. Next one, Alt C. Delhi rice. Rice, kg is not applicable. Then save. Quantity is 150. Rate is 52. Next one is of soap category, soap group. Alt C to create. Dove. Alt C. Ctrl A, save and quit back. This will be measured in the form of numbers, right? Alt C, or pieces or numbers. Save. Not applicable. Then S. Quantity will be 100. Right. Price is 40. The next one, Alt C. Soap, numbers, not applicable. Save. Quantity given is 75. Rate is 25. Next one, Alt C. Numbers, not applicable. Save. Quantity is 120. Rate is 20 rupees. Alt C to create. Next one, Dettol. Numbers, not applicable. Save. Quantity is 50. Rate is 22. Next one is of group water. Alt C to create. Bisleri. Alt C to create. Control A, save and quit back. Alt C to create. This is for liters. Not applicable. Then save. The quantity is 80. Then rate is 8. Next one. Alt C to create. Aquafina. Water. Liters. Not applicable. Later save. Quantity is 70. 7 rupees. The last one, Alt C, Himalayan. Water, liters, not applicable. Later save. Quantity is 60. Then 9 rupees. We can just see here the total amount. Then later type the narration, then save. The next transaction. The next transaction is sold following goods on credit to Krishna. Discount allowed on total is 2%. Okay, this is of sales. Okay, and here we have the list of items, and this recording will be done in the sales voucher invoice mode. Let's see this particular recording. Right now, sales voucher invoice mode. Party's account name, it has to be created. Alt C to create. Name is Krishna. Krishna account. Alias will be blank, and this will be allocated under the group sundry debtors. Then Control A to save and quit back. Then later we have to go for creating sales account. Alt C to create. This will be allocated under the group that will be sales account. Then Control A to save and quit back. Name of the item, the first one is Basmati. The quantity is 50. Rate, the selling rate will be 55 rupees. The next one, Sona Masuri, 25 kgs. Rate is 48. The next one, Dow. Just type the starting letter, down arrow key. 20. Amount is 45 rupees. Selling price. Dettol. Quantity is 10. Rate is 23. Next one, the last one, Bisleri. Quantity is 10. Then rate, the selling price is 10. Alright. And later they have provided the discount of 2%. Right, and here we can see the amount is 5,180, and here we have to provide the discount. correct, of 2%. In that case, here we have to go for creating the ledger. That will be discount allowed. Alt C to create. Just come one step down after the total, then press Alt C. Discount allowed. This will be allocated under the group that will be indirect expenses. Just type I, down arrow key, then later save. Save and quit back. Just press here Control A. Okay. 2%. If we provide here 2%, this will be added. We can see here the total is what? 5,283. Right? What has to be done? Just come back. To come back, backspace key. Just type here -2. It has to be -2 because we are providing discount. Not +2, -2. Can we see here? 5,180 minus 103. And this will be the amount which has to be given by the customer, which has to be given by the debtor, right? Okay. This is one way. On the whole total, it is 2%. Think that right now, for each and every item, we are providing the discount. For the first item, 5%, second item, 10%, the third item, 15%, then the fourth item, 2%. In that case, what has to be done? In Tally, we have one more thing. For that, again, we have to go back to company features or Tally features. That is bottom right hand side. Here we have the Tally features or company features. Just press here function key F11 and later here we have to go back to inventory, right? Then press function key F2. Then in this inventory features, in invoicing, here we have one more option. Separate discount column on invoices. No is there, just make here S. Got it? Then later save the window. Press Y. Got it? Here the particular column has come. Okay. I'll be back here once again. I just provide here first item with 10%. Second one with 5%, the third one with 8%, the fourth one with 6%, and the last one with 7%. Got it? What has happened here? For different items, we are providing here the different discount rates. Correct? But as per the question given, just they have given that discount allowed 2%. Correct? Okay. We will stick back to the question. This is one thing which is available in Tally where we can provide different discount for different items. Okay. Right now I'll just deactivate this one. Again, go back to function key F11. Inventory features. Separate discount column on invoices. No. Then save. Okay. That column is removed. Correct? -2. Then later type the narration. This is the final total. Type the narration, then save. The next transaction. The next one is regarding about the sales again. Sold following goods on credit to Suraj of rupees 4,005. And here we have the list of items. Let's see this particular recording. Sales voucher number 2, that is voucher number 2. Okay. Party's account name has to be created. Alt C to create. Suraj account, and this will be allocated under the group that will be sundry debtors. Then Control A to save and quit back. Sales account, name of the item, the first one is of Basmati. Quantity is 20 and the price is 55 rupees. Next one, Delhi rice, 30. Price is 60. Next one, Lux, quantity is 10. Amount is 30 rupees. Next one is Synthol. Quantity is 15. Rate is 22. Next is Bisleri. Just type the starting letter and later we can use the down arrow key. 10. Then later the last one is Himalayan. Quantity is 25. Rate is 15. Right, and here we can see the total amount. Then type the narration, later save. Press Y from the keyboard. The next transaction is paid cash of rupees 30,000 to Shyam. Let's see this particular recording. This has to be recorded under the payment voucher. Payment voucher, and the shortcut key is function key F5. Just click on this one. Debit will be Shyam, right, 30,000. Okay, things all can see here. The current balances which has to be paid is 41,945, but we are paying just the part amount 30,000. Enter. Against the reference, this will track the purchase voucher. Reference number of the purchase voucher, that is 123. 30,000. Credit cash 30. Type the narration, later save. The next transaction is purchased sunflower oil of 300 kgs, 90 rupees per kg from Ravi on credit of rupees 27,000. This has to be recorded under the purchase voucher invoice mode. Let's see this particular recording. Select for purchase voucher. Then party's name has to be created. That will be Ravi. Alt C to create. Ravi account. This has to be allocated under the group that will be sundry creditors. Later save and quit back. Purchase account. Name of the item has to be created. That will be sunflower. Alt C to create. Alias will be blank. Then this has to be allocated under the group that will be oil, which is not yet created, which has to be created. Alt C to create. Then Control A. Units, that will be kgs, right? not applicable, then save. Quantity is 300, correct. Rate 90. And here we can see the quantity and the total amount which has to be paid to the supplier. Type the narration, then save. Press Y from the keyboard. Next one. Next two recordings are in a receipt voucher. The first one is received cash from Krishna of rupees 3000, and later we have received cash from Suraj of rupees 2500. Let's see both the recordings in Tally. Receipt voucher, then credit will be Krishna, amount is 3000, enter. This will track against the reference sales voucher number 1, 3000, debit will be cash, down arrow key, 3000. Type the narration, then save. Next one, credit will be Suraj. The amount is 2500. Against the reference, this will track sales voucher number 2. Debit will be cash, 2500. Type the narration, later save. Press Y from the keyboard. The next one, paid freight charges of rupees 200. Again, this has to be recorded under the payment voucher. Payment voucher. Then here debit will be freight charges, which has to be created. Alt C to create. Alias will be blank, and this will be allocated under the group that will be direct expenses. Just type D, down arrow key, later save and quit back. Press Ctrl A. The amount is 200. Then credit will be cash, 200. Type the narration, later save. The next one, returned back 20 kgs of basmati to Sham. Okay, this is purchase returns, and this has to be recorded under the voucher that will be rejections out. Let's see this particular recording. Right now we are in accounting voucher creation. Just come back to Gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally, transactions, inventory vouchers. Right. Here we can see rejection out and in, both are deactivated. We have to do the activation. In that case, we have to go back to company features or Tally features. Bottom right hand side, just click on this one, features. Right. Here comes out with rejection in, out notes. Right. Take the pointer here. Can we see it? Once I just press here enter, the pointer is not going here. Correct. Now what has to be done? In that case, just go back. Then later, additional inventory vouchers, use tracking numbers for delivery and receipt notes. Make here S. Once we make here S, then only the pointer will be shifted to the next line. Then S. S. Correct. Now we have to go back to rejection out. Correct. Then ledger name will be Shyam. We can even provide the address, supplier name and the address. Okay. Name of the item, it is Basmati. Tracking number, this will track the purchase voucher. The quantity is 20. Rate will come automatically, that is purchase rate. End of the list. Type the narration, state the reason what has happened, then save. Press Y from the keyboard. The last one, received synthol of 5 numbers from Suraj. This is again the sales written which has to be recorded under the voucher, that will be rejections in. Let's see this particular recording. This is the last transaction. Then rejection in, just click on this one. Correct. Ledger account will be Suraj. Customer name, and even we can provide down the address also. Okay. Name of the item is synthol. Tracking number, this will track the sales voucher. Quantity is 5. Selling price will come automatically. Type the narration. State the reason. Okay. Then save, press Y from the keyboard. This completes the case study. And in the previous 2 case study already have told that how to write down in case of theory examination. But this particular case study was based on both accounting and as well as the inventory. Correct. From the voucher window itself, we can create the stock item, stock group, stock category, units of measure. Many things can be created. In case of accounting and inventory, apart from creating 2 tables, that is one for the master table, the other one for the voucher table, we have to create one more table for the stock, where we have to mention their stock group, stock item and the units of measure. Okay. In the same way, you can just check the handbook which is uploaded. Okay. And after each question, the solution is provided. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel. Have a nice day.